Okay, wort chiller did its job. We're down to 75 degrees. Now I'm going to take this, put it in my primary fermentation bucket, which is already clean and sanitized. Take that. And I'll dump it in there. And I'll try to keep some of these particles and hot chunks that are in the bottom of this bucket, or my brewing bucket. I'll fill it up to where I want it. Screw it, we'll just dump it all in there, we'll filter that out. When we put it into our carboy, put it in here. I'll leave it in my primary for about a week or two, then I'll put it in my carboy and dry hop it for another week. Okay, so now that it's cool, it's in here, let's go get the yeast and pitch that. Okay, so now before I pitch my yeast and everything in there, I'm going to take my hydrometer out. I'm going to write down the original gravity of this. So you drop it in there, give it a spin. A little bit of bubbles in there. Move some of them out of the way. Drop it down and spin it. Okay, so it looks like we're at 1.072. So you want to write that down. 1.072. Okay, you're going to want to write that down. Get that in there, because then when you're done, you take your finished gravity reading, and that will give you your alcohol percentage. So now, I'm going to take our yeast starter. See that? Nice and started all up and nasty. Get that in there. Get all that yeast in there. I'll actually scoop some of it out. It's already activated, all that good stuff. And I'll give it a nice, good, healthy stir, but you don't want to get too many bubbles going in it again. So yeah, stir that yeast all up in there. Take another pack of the dry yeast. This is just so I can get my alcohol content around 7-ish, just in case that other package didn't quite cut it. Just sprinkle this right along the top. There you go. That is it. Put the lid on. Okay, so now that that's all in there, what I do is I have a star sand mixture from when I sanitize all my stuff. I'll fill up my airlock. There you go, right to the max line, because this thing's going to be gurgling like crazy. So get that on there, close that up. Put the airlock where it needs to go. And then I use a spray bottle with that star sand mixture in there. I just spray everything down that I touched, just to make sure nothing gets in the way. Everything is sealed and there's no bacteria that's going to disrupt this. Alright, and that's it. That's how you make your first batch of beer. Like I said, I'll keep this in here for a week or two before I dry hop it in the secondary in my carboy for another week, and then I'll actually put it in the keg after that. But I'll show you videos how to do that. So any questions, any comments, let me know. See ya.